Hi everyone. If you have previously deactivated your TikTok account temporarily and now want to activate and use it again, you are on the right video. Actually, reactivating a deactivated TikTok account is quite easy. You just need to log in as usual by entering your email, phone number, or username and password. But if you are still confused, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. If you have another account, then to log in, please tap the drop-down icon on your TikTok account name, precisely under the profile photo. Or, if on Android at the top of the screen, then click Add Account, tap Login under the screen. And usually the TikTok account that you deactivated will appear on the screen. Tap on that. If you use an email or phone number, the verification code will be sent to your email or SMS address. Check your email and SMS now to get the code. When you get it, type the code, then tap Reactivate button, and that's it. Your TikTok account has been successfully reactivated. And of course, it can be used as usual. You can post videos, scrolling TikTok, like, comment, and more. So now, you know how to reactivate TikTok account. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.